Hello everyone and welcome to Hazian Education World channel. This tutorial is gonna be a small introduction about using dictionary data type in Python. We are going to see how to create a dictionary, how to add items to the dictionary, how to access an element in a dictionary, how to delete an item or element, how to clear and how to delete a dictionary. A dictionary is a Python built-in data type. It is similar to a language dictionary in the way of storing and searching the data. Language dictionary is a collection of words and their corresponding definitions. And if we want to know the definition of a word, we search for it in the dictionary and we find its definition next to it. By analogy, in Python dictionary, words are called keys and the corresponding definitions are called values. So if we know the key, we will be able to find its corresponding value in the dictionary. And the keys and values are not only strings or characters, but can be of any other type, like integers, lists, tuples, etc. Let's see how to handle this kind of data using examples. Suppose we want to manage the list of animals living in a zoo or a small nature reserve. For example, we will use a dictionary to store the different species of animals and their corresponding number of individuals. I mean the number of individuals of each species. We will see how to use a dictionary to handle this. So let's get started. So let's create our dictionary. We need to give it a name. Let's call it species. And to create a dictionary, we need curly braces. We open and close curly braces. This will create an empty dictionary called species. We press enter to check the content of our dictionary. We simply type in the name and press enter. Here we have empty curly braces. It means that our dictionary exists, but there is no elements or items inside. The elements of the dictionary are not single values, but are pairs of key and value. They are pair of two values. So let's add one element to our dictionary. We use the brackets and we type in the key to be entered equals, and we type the corresponding value to this key. Okay, so in this case the key is the string lions, species of animals in our zoo, and the value is 6. For us it will be the number of individuals of this species. We press enter, we check the dictionary again, and we find that there is one item inside. Okay, so this pair of values separated by colon are called an item. Let's add more elements or items to our dictionary. Okay, we are going to use the same method, the name of the dictionary. We open brackets and we type the key. We close bracket equal and we give the value. Okay, one more. Let's add some bears in our zoo. Okay, let's check our dictionary. Now we have 3 elements or 3 items inside the dictionary. How to access an element of the dictionary using the key. Suppose we want to know the value of any key belonging to the dictionary. We simply type, for example, want to know the value of the key lions, we press enter and this will return the corresponding value. In this case it is 6. We can check the type of the object we've created, which is species, to confirm that there is a name and there is an error in the name. Species. Oh, sorry, I've forgotten the parenthesis. Okay. Our object is of type dict, which means dictionary for Python. Now we are going to see how to clear our dictionary. So let's check it one more time. It has 3 items inside. Let's clear our dictionary. There is a method called clear used with dict object without any argument. Enter, and if we check our dictionary, this will return an empty dictionary. Open and close curly braces, but without any items inside. Let's create back our dictionary. Let's add back our items using a different way. This time I will not add the items one by one, but I will add all of them at one time. I will copy and paste. There is one extra equal sign. Okay, I will press enter. Okay, you see that I am using the curly braces and I type inside all my elements separated by commas. Okay, I press enter and our dictionary is containing the 3 items as before. So now we will see how to delete one item. We have 2 ways or 3 ways. Okay, let's see the first method. We can delete an item from a dictionary using the del keyword, del for delete, followed by the dictionary name, and between brackets we will type the key of the item we want to delete. For example, we will type lions, press enter. This will not return any value, anything. Let's check the dictionary, the content, and now we have only 2 elements. There is no more lions and 6 pair. We can use the same keyword del to delete the whole dictionary. Let's try it. And this time we will not use brackets, we will just type the name of the dictionary and press enter. Now if we check the dictionary, we get an error, a name error, because our dictionary doesn't exist anymore. Name species is not defined. Okay. So let's create back our dictionary because we still need it for the following methods. Okay, great. Now let's delete one item, but without using the del keyword, we will use instead a method called pop, and between parentheses we will type in the key. Okay, let's delete this time elephants. Okay, it was executed, And you see here that this will return the value. At the same time, it is deleting the item. Using the del keyword will not return this value. So this is a difference between the two ways of deleting items. Now, what will happen if we try to delete a key which is not existent in the dictionary? Okay, for example, let's try it. Let's try to use the pop method to delete birds, for example. Okay, we don't have birds in the dictionary, you see. We have only lions, elephants, and bears. Okay, now we try to delete birds. And we have a key error. This is because the key birds doesn't exist. So we can avoid this error to be generated using the pop method. How? The pop method can be used with two arguments. The second argument is optional, and this time we are going to use it to avoid having the key error. The second argument is a default value, which will be returned in case the key typed in the first argument doesn't exist in the dictionary. So, for example, let's set this default value to none and execute. Okay, this time we don't have the key error and we have none instead because we have typed in none as a default value. We can use any other value, for example 0. Birds doesn't exist, we try to pop it, to delete it, and we have the value 0 instead of having the key error. Now, one more method we are going to see today, the pop item method. This method is also used to delete items from the dictionary, but this method has no argument. We cannot select which item will be deleted or which key will be deleted first. This method will choose by itself using a LIFO method, last in, first out. Okay, so before trying it, let's check our dictionary again. How many items are there? 2. Okay, I think it's better to add some more items to see the effect of the pop item method. For example, let's add back our elephants. Okay, let's add one more. Monkeys. 5 monkeys. Yeah, it will be okay, it will be good. Okay, now we have 4 items, it will be enough. Species, pop item, without any argument we'll choose the last in. So the last item in our dictionary is monkeys 5, so it is the first one to be deleted. Just check to confirm. Yes. If we execute it one more time, elephants item is deleted. One more time, the bears will be deleted. And this way it will go from the last item in the dictionary to the first one. Now our dictionary is empty and we have a key error because there is no more item in our dictionary. That's the end of this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and in the next video I will show you more methods used with dictionaries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.